you're ready for a community with more options, more convenience, and more ways to stay active, you're ready for Sun Communities. Here you'll find modern, affordable homes that fit your lifestyle and your budget. Amenities that keep your days full, from fitness and clubs to classes and spaces built for getting involved. Locations that put you close to what matters: shopping, dining, entertainment, and everyday essentials. This is where you find your routine, your people, your place. Find your place at one of our active 55 plus Sun Communities.
You need me to push you closer? Okay, put your legs apart like that. There you go.
Tuition-free online learning from Michigan Virtual Charter Academy can help your child unlock their full potential. From greater flexibility to support
right now.
certified
I'm
teachers.
so sick of it. Everybody go and like my post on my page. It's the pin post. Go like that. Spartacus 300. Good morning. Can you pretty please do me a favor? Can you please go and like that pinned video I have? It says you're the prettiest or you're too pretty is what it says. And Polo, thank you so much. Polo, will you do the same thing? Will you go like that pinned post that I have? I'm trying to win a competition. Juan Carlos, will you go like my pin? Yeah. We're eating, you already ate breakfast, but we're having
I think I just found the best educational app for ages 2 through 8. It's been keeping her focused recently, and it's so nice because it gives me a moment to either do my makeup, even brush my teeth, and I know that she's learning. She's not just watching a cartoon, and she is obsessed with ABC Mouse.
Thank you everybody so much. Thank you for following Carlos. Thank you for sending gifts. Thank you Prince 2K26 for following. Thank you so much. What am I? What is honey? Rebecca? This is my day every day. Look at my life. I just take care of kids, clean house, take kids to appointments. You guys want to make my life fun. Thank you. Thank you, Legolas. I appreciate you. Get on here in bed. I fucking feel like rebels in society and y'all fuck a bitch for the irony. Oh, I want to lose this so bad. Maybe I'll work out. Maybe I'll work out first. Take a bigger bite. But
something like that. Something like that. Something like that. Something like that.
has made it affordable and easy to access a lawyer. Now we make it even easier. Just tap on the app for a great new way to connect with a vetted lawyer. Everyone needs legal help, but not everyone can afford a lawyer. Until now. Legal Shield is like having a lawyer in your back pocket for less than $1 a day. Creating a will? Buying or selling a home? We'll pair you with a designated law firm who knows your state laws.